Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. Homemade onion kebab recipe. You can watch how to bake onion kebab. There are onion kebabs that are prepared by several different methods and cooked differently. An easy onion kebab will be made in this video. Anyone can easily do it with this method. You can use 750 grams of ground lamb or ground beef. Average 20 small onions. I can say that the type of onion is sweet onion. 1 spoonful of hot pepper paste. Chopped cow fat, tallow, animal fat, you don't have to use it. Some parsley. 2 garlic. 2 green peppers. 2 red peppers. A glass of bone broth. 13 grams of rock salt. 2 spoons of pomegranate syrup. Thyme herb. I use 2 different varieties. Pot thyme, garden thyme and mountain thyme herb. You can use an air fan fryer to pre-cook onions. We can call it a smaller oven instead of running a big oven. Cut off the ends of the onions and do not peel the onions completely, they will remain shelled. Make a scratch on the onions with a knife after cutting off the ends. Add the onions to the oven and bake at 180 degrees for 1 hour. Prepare vegetable ingredients for onion kebab meat. Cut the tips of the red peppers and add to the mixer. Add the garlic and green chilies to the mixer. Finally chop the vegetables with the mixer. Add minced meat to mixing bowl and add other ingredients. Add the animal fat and pepper paste. Finally chop the parsley and add. The ingredients combined are 950 grams, and I used 13 grams of salt, and it was fine. Mix the ingredients thoroughly and knead the minced meat until well. Pre-boil the bone broth and prepare it. Add some water. I added some mixed food spice. Add some sugar and boil. After boiling, remove the foam formed on it and throw it away. Add some salt. Bone broth is ready. Check the cooking status of the onions. Not cooked enough yet. Onions cooked for 55 minutes. Onions must be completely soft to be eaten. Pour the onions in a tray and peel them. Look how the onions are cooked. It still looks so hot and great. Beyond the taste it gives to meals, onions, which are important for health, have many benefits. Onion which has the ability to open the airways and cut cough with the substances it contains, supports the recovery of colds, flu, asthma and bronchitis. Now add the onions to the mixing bowl. Add pomegranate syrup and mix carefully, stir gently without distributing the onions. You can start shaping the kebab and placing it on the tray. A 30-centimeter aluminum tray used here. Wet your hands and cut the minced kebab into equal pieces. One piece is about 40-50 grams. You can do it this way. Place the onion and meat regularly in the tray. If you have a small iron plate, you can make the onion kebab in one serving. Some meat left over, and I'll spare it later to make hamburgers. Onions were fully baked first and peeled off. Only ground beef, pepper, parsley, pepper paste and salt were added. Round meatballs were prepared. Onion and meatball balls neatly placed on baking sheet. Now a wood oven is needed to cook this kebab deliciously. I use a pellet-fueled domestic fire furnace. You can do it at home with normal electric ovens. This oven provides intense fire from the top and can give enough wood flavor to soot flavor to kebab. I kept it closed for 10 minutes so that the base of the oven was heated. Onions are already fully cooked, only meat needs to be cooked. Fry the onion kebab in the oven. It will be sufficient to cook it for 6-7 minutes on such an intense fire. After heating in a normal oven, bake for a maximum of 10 minutes. You can ask any questions you have, and please don't forget to support by liking the video. It may be necessary to close the cover for the last 2 minutes to avoid burning. There is an intense fire. A single portion of onion kebab will be cooked with this fire. A final action will be taken before serving. Add the bone broth you have prepared before. Add the thyme herbs and serve hot. Onion kebab, which is both delicious and healthy, is made especially in winter. It is a natural antibiotic. I think it is a healthy meal. Besides this kebab, I can recommend ayran as a drink. The last thing you can do now, you can put onion and meat on a fork and throw it in your mouth. Bon appetit! We have come to the end of a detailed video recipe prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.